Hello everybody, good evening to everyone. My name is Ashish. I am myself narrating the story of this skit. Now the 8th class girls are ready to give a beautiful message to you all with their performance. Now here are the characters in our skit. Amrita is acting as a student who will be lot of worrying about our environment. Harshita is also acting as a student who tries to create awareness among the people. Nikita is also a student and Shravani is also a student. Yashwant is also taking the role of student. Meghna is acting as the teacher. Janakiram and Bhavana are taking the role of doctors. Akila is acting as sister. Surya is taking the role of mother. Leela Sri is acting as mother. Kishore God is taking the role of father. Sanjay is acting as child. Wilson is taking the role of medical shopkeeper. Now here the skit begins.
వీడియోని నరేషన్ ఒకటేనా స్కిప్ చేస్తాడా
అంటే మొత్తం ఇక చెప్పాలి ఏం చేయాలి కిందికి రావాలి
Give me social textbook. I will teach now about environment. Environment
She will teach a lesson on our environment. By listening to that lesson, we can observe the sad feelings over the faces of the students.
డెవలప్డ్ మీ ఓడు
Yes.
బాగా చేస్తుంది
చూసి చెప్పాలట కానీ చూడకుండానే చెప్తాను.
I want to know some information about this.
Yes.
Why there is a lot of pollution in our surroundings? And I also have a doubt.
Yes, carry on.
Why so many people are suffering with diseases? Sorry to disturb you, Amrita. Excuse me, ma'am. I am also having some doubts regarding this topic.
Yes, students, please sit down. I can understand your anxiety. You are very much interested towards this topic. So I am giving you a project. You yourself can get the answers if you do a campaign in your nearby places in our cities and get the report.
Class ends and all the students will start their campaign. Harshita reaches a place and observes the waste material thrown in the surroundings.
Oh God, what is this smell? How those people are able to live? I can't live at least 1 minute also.
Nikita reaches a place where there is much crowd and traffic.
Oh God, what is this heavy traffic? I cannot manage.
Amrita reaches a hospital. In the hospital, parents will be rushing into it, calls the doctor.
వాడు కనిపించట్లేదు మీరు ఏం చేస్తున్నారు?
Doctor, once check my child, suddenly he is unable to take breath. Little sit here. Cool down, nothing will happen.
The doctors will check and discuss within themselves.
What happened to him?
Amrita will be observing all these and teaches the doctor.
What happened to him?
We are unable to find the correct reason. Wait for a while.
Oh God, what is this situation? What was mistake done by us?
Other people also reaches the hospital with different types of issues.
Doctor, please
Yes.
check my brother.
Little sit. Cool down, nothing will happen.
These students got the report and reaches the school to submit the report to their teacher. In the classroom, there is one more student who is very much interested towards this topic, but she didn't take part in the campaign.
Hi Arshita.
Hi.
First tell me about your campaign. I am very much excited to know.
Meanwhile, Amrita and Nikita also enters the classroom.
Hi Amrita. Hi Nikita. Hi. Please tell me about your campaign.
The teacher enters the class. Students will stand up and wishes the teacher.
Morning ma'am.
Good morning, sit down.
Thank you ma'am.
Yeah, tell me children, how is your campaign? Now share your feelings with your friends.
Ma'am, I went to Gutta site. There I felt very bad.
Why? What happened there? What made you to worry?
There I observed the people throwing the waste material on the road itself and surroundings are also not tidy. I got foul smell there. It is very bad too. It is very hard to live there. But how those people are able to live, I can't understand.
Next, Amrita, what is your...
Ma'am, I visited a nearby government hospital. That hospital is too crowded. Means there are so many people who are suffering with diseases. I felt very bad about that scene in the hospital.
Why don't you meet the doctor to know clear about the patients?
Yeah, I met them, but they themselves are unable to find out the correct reason.
Next, Nikita, what is your report?
Ma'am, I went to very busiest place. There even I cannot take this and unable to put my leg one inch forward.
Why, what happened Nikita?
There is lot of crowd in that area and heavy traffic. The area is very much polluted.
Ma'am, please give us a solution for this.
Yes. Yes, students, now you can understand how the people are facing different problems in this polluted environment. My best solution for this, only you. As young citizens of this country, only you can change this.
Okay ma'am, what we have to do? We are ready to do anything.
The teacher asked to conduct some awareness programs in the most affected areas. These students first visit the hospital.
ఆశీష్ మిడిల్లోకి వచ్చే
Hey, see that child. His condition is very serious, I think. Hey Amma, once come here. See your child how he is now. Hey Amma, once come here.
Oh child, what you happened? What you happened? You go and call the doctor.
Doctor.
What happened?
Suddenly he is doing like this.
Okay, give that medicine. Now he is okay, don't worry.
Oh God, this is all because of you. We are unable to survey on this earth.
Once listen to me. Why you are blaming the God for the man-made mistakes?
What are you talking? Man made the mistakes?
Yes, we made this environment polluted, but God gave us very beautiful environment. Yes, what you said is obviously correct. We are very much fortunate to be as human beings on this earth. But God gave us all the abilities to do good or bad.
But as human beings, we are using our abilities to do only bad things. Like I saw you there. You are throwing the waste on the road itself.
There is able to sense a lot of polluted area because of comforts and luxuries.
So what is the solution
What
for
is the solution for this?
We should stop polluting the land by avoiding the plastic. We should not throw the waste in our surroundings.
Then where we have to throw our waste?
Some of our waste food material are food for creatures like birds and animals, which we are able to see in our surroundings. We should offer food for them. Being a kind people, we should be kind towards all people also.
To avoid the air pollution, we should use bicycles for short distance. For long distance, we should use public transport vehicles. By this, we can reduce a little bit of air pollution. So, I will give the best solution for all these issues.
What is that?
Trees. Trees? How is it so? Trees are most useful things on this earth. are the main sources of fresh air. So we can reduce all these pollutions by planting the trees.
All of them reaches the shade with some plant.
So we are doing this now today itself. Come and join with us to make our environment a pollution-free environment. So we are giving you a message that to reduce the pollution and plant as many as possible trees in your surroundings. Thank you.
Sarthi.
Honorable guests, respected ladies and